Hey there, welcome to another episode of Hang Out with me in my kitchen space. In today's episode, let's make something that you can have for breakfast. And I'm having some toasted bread with some eggs. And with me here, I have my ingredients. For the main ingredients, I have some bread, I have some homemade cheese, I have some margarine, you can also use butter, I have some eggs and some sausages. And without further ado, let's get started. So I'm really excited about today's recipe because we are making some homemade cheese, and if you want to know how to make that homemade cheese, stick around, share this with a friend, and I'll show you in a few. I'll start by spreading some margarine on my bread. You can do it how you like it. If you like it more, please add more. You can also do without the margarine, but if you have it, why not? And just like that, we are done. So I'll set this aside. Then I'm going to grate my homemade cheese, and I've just made it about 20 or so minutes ago, so it has not yet fully set. So I'm not quite sure if it's going to give me an easy time grating it. Just look at this. And that was smoother than I had anticipated. So I have my homemade grated cheese, and yeah, so let's get started. So once my pan is extremely hot, I'll rub in some margarine, and I've used this so that it can retain the heat for a very long time. And we are going to start by toasting our bread, and I'll start by putting the side which has the margarine down. Then I'll just go in with a small amount of margarine. I'll also add the other one and add some margarine kidogo tu. Then I'll come in with my cheese. Then I'll cover it with the side that has butter or margarine on top. Then I'm going to toast that till your prepared brownness. So after a couple of minutes, once that is how you like it, you're going to turn it, and you can see the beautiful crust that we have. And this is just another way how you can toast your bread without a toaster. Then I'll give it a couple of more minutes as well so that it can brown. Then I'll go in and prepare my eggs. So for the eggs, I'm just adding some salt. And so guys, as you've seen, it was that easy, and you've seen how the cheese was pulling. So it's time to give this a taste test. Look at this. It tastes so good. These are the kind of meals I live for, and I hope you give yourself a treat. That's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.